Hello viewers, I welcome you back to this channel. In our video today, we're going to be looking at technical analysis. And by technical analysis, specifically for this video, we're going to concentrate mainly on the three principles of technical analysis. I believe a couple of you people out there happen to trade technical analysis, but you literally forget the basics, the roots of actually technical analysis. Yet they should be followed at every point, at every step, when we are analyzing the market based upon technical analysis. The principles are three. The first one is market action discounts everything. The second one states that prices move in trend. And lastly, we shall be looking at history repeating itself. We're going to explore deeply with this, and we shall enable you. We shall make you understand extensively, deeply, but in simple terms, each and every principle, such that every time you look forward trading technicals, you always refer to these principles when we are trading. Don't forget, my name is Isma from FX Kampala. If you haven't subscribed onto this particular YouTube channel, please do such that you enjoy the content that we happen to release. You can also visit other social media platforms of ours, that is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. Just type in FX Kampala, you'll find such amazing affirmative information. Without any wastage of time, I'll get directly onto a reason as to why I created this particular video. So the principles are basically three. We have market action discounts everything. Usually this disturbs people on what literally this statement alone means. And then we shall then further look at the second principle, which states that prices move in trend. And lastly, history repeats itself. So we're going to start with the first things first. That is the first principle. Market action discounts everything. What does this statement mean? This statement means that in each and everything that is happening in a particular economy, whether the US economy, whether the Australian economy, whether the Japanese economy, everything that is happening in any of these economies is actually always reflected in the currencies that we happen to trade. That is the price. In other words, the first thing that you should have in mind before you start right away trading the technicals is that everything that is going to happen in the economy, that is happening currently in the economy, that will happen in the economy, that is in the future, in the near future, and the forecasted future, and also in the past, is always reflected in our prices. In other words, in our trading platforms. In other words, in our trading market that we have on your MT4, MT5 trading view and forth. So we are saying that the principle states that everything that we have in our economy is actually always reflected in the prices. So we should believe in whatsoever that is happening in the prices. And also technicals or technical analysis believes that you should not only, or you should rather only focus on the technicals, on the price, rather than looking for economic news or any news that is released anywhere. So with only technicals, you can ideally know where and what is going to happen in the economy when you expect increased unemployment, when you expect increased GDP, inflation, and a lot more. So all that information can definitely be defined, can basically be identified with the prices if you have understood them very well, and you know what basically the technicals, or have trust in the prices the way they move. So principle number 2 states that as prices, or rather states that history repeats itself. What does this mean? Now, this principle does not only happen to appear in only Forex, but it also has suddenly appear in each and everything, everywhere. So history repeating itself. Now, with the help of this principle, we can always be in position to identify key levels in the market. We'll always be in position to identify support levels, resistance levels in the market. We'll always be identifying the breakouts, that is the liquidity grab, the fair value gap, and a lot more. So whenever we are trading, the reason as to why you're in position to use the supply, you're in position to use the support, you're in position to use the breakouts, you're in position to use patterns, and so on and forth, it's because of this principle. So whenever we happen to use this, we always referring back to this particular principle, and it's actually the reason as to why they are existing. So this principle is key, is important, and should always be referred to whenever we happen to analyze the market when we are trading Forex. The last principle states that prices move in trend. We all know as prices are moving, they will always never move in a straight line. Like for instance, price of sugar or price of anything will never move in a straight line, but rather will move within the trend. So as prices are going to a certain level from 0 to 10, it will actually not just go from 0 to 10 directly, but what will happen is that it will just move maybe to 2, come back down to gain the momentum, increase to make that sharp movement, like that, and so on and forth. So you who is trading and would love to always refer to this principle should ask themselves, what should the structure, of the trend be like? So if the structure of the trend states that when you move from here, you go here, from here, you go here, then definitely you are in position to identify where market is likely to be, because you know the structure and you know as the markets are moving up or back and forth. So we are saying that whenever we are trading, some of the principles that we should always refer to as to the way the market is moving, we should have this in our mind. We should have this with us, that as the prices are moving, they always move in the trend. So if they are in the trend, so when should I, make a particular, when is the pullback, when is the retracement, when is the support, when is the resistance, and forth, and so on and forth. So from this, we can know when we should buy, when we shouldn't buy, when we should sell, when we shouldn't sell, and forth. So we are saying that with these principles, you can ideally make money easily in the Forex market and forth. So with the interest of time, I would love to stop from here. I've shared the contact at the beginning of this video. If you find this interesting, don't hesitate to contact us. With that, have a lovely day. Enjoy.